Today we're in the New York City in the meat packing district. Some people call it Chelsea. This is the Gans Venort Hotel. At the top they have a great club. If you ever get a chance, it's hard to get in, you have to dress appropriately. I was there maybe 10 or 15 years ago. Really nice on the top there. I've not stayed there. But again, Friday and Saturday night, that's the happening place. This whole area has been has gone through a tremendous change over the last 10 years as the monies came in. And now it's a very popular place to come and visit and walk. If you look down, you'll see the cobblestone. I guess that back then, I guess that was more related to the meat packing district. So you see these cobblestones. They're in one of the older parts. When you drive across it, it's very bumpy, but it's kind of really cool to walk around and see the old streets. Not very popular tonight. This is a Monday night, so not very many people. If you came here on a Friday or Saturday night, there would just be, this whole place would be full of people. This way, guys. Here we go.